seen the video?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So that was basics, correct? Last year what you learned. All right. So it was all
Yes, sir.
revised. Now we move on to the next topic. That also you learned, but we'll revise what we learned there. And it is zero of a linear polynomial. Zero. I'll always write this zero in capital alphabets. Alright? Zero of a linear polynomial. Alright? Now, what do you mean by zero? The question is, what is meant by zero of polynomial? What is meant by zero of a polynomial? Alright? For that, you will have to observe and understand. I'll take one polynomial. And of course, I'll take a linear polynomial. Because I want to know what is zero of a polynomial. Alright? Here is one polynomial. P of x is equal to x plus 5. I've taken a linear polynomial x plus 5. Symbolically it is written like this, P of x. The polynomial is variable x. Okay, I'm going to find the values of polynomial at different values of x. Let's say at x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 3, x equal to minus 5, x equal to plus 5. Alright, at these different values, let me find out the value of the given polynomial. Yes, the first one. Therefore, P of, I've taken x equal to 1. So that gives me, wherever you come across x, you are going to substitute 1. So P of 1 is equal to 1 plus 5 and that is equal to 6. Alright, next. P of the value of polynomial at x equal to minus 2. So let's take x equal to minus 2. Here comes x. I'm going to put minus 2 plus 5 and the answer is 3. So value of polynomial at x equal to minus 2 is 3. Moving on to the next one, and there you are going to take the value of variable x equal to 3. So P of 3. For x you are going to put 3. 3 plus 5 and that is equal to 8. So value of polynomial at x equal to 3 is 8. At x equal to 3 is 8. Okay. Let's see now the value of polynomial at x equal to minus 5. So P of minus 5 is equal to, for x you put minus 5 plus 5 and that is equal to 0. Finally, the last one I am taking, x equal to 5. So value of polynomial at x equal to 5 is equal to x plus 5. For x, I'm going to put 5 plus 5 and that is equal to 10. Like that, I can take number of values of variable and find the values of polynomial. And for different values of x, I'll get different values of polynomial. Now my question to you is, did you get the value of polynomial equal to 0 in any of this case? क्या कोई भी केस में value of polynomial 0 मिला? I've put the circle, the values of polynomials. Did you get? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, बताइए.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5 x equals to
Yes,
minus
e of minus
X
5.
equal to minus
There you are
5.
getting the value of polynomial equal to 0. I'm putting, this is very important. The value of polynomial is 0. For which value of variable? बताइए.
x.
Minus 5.
X
Minus
equal to minus 5. value of polynomial is equal to 0 for x equal to minus pi. Children, इसी minus pi को कहते हैं zero of this polynomial. Zero of this polynomial. तो क्या हुआ definition? Zero of polynomial, and here I'm talking about linear polynomial. The value of variable, I got x equal to minus pi. When I take x equal to minus pi, I'm getting value of this polynomial equal to 0. So the value of variable for which the value of polynomial becomes 0 is known as 0 of that polynomial. So if I'm talking about this p of x, which is x plus 5, what is the 0 of this polynomial?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. 0 of the polynomial is minus 5. So out of infinite values of x, you are going to get one value which gives you the value of polynomial equal to 0. In this case, we already got the value of polynomial equal to 0 at x equal to minus 5. Let's take some more examples and see, do we get any value of variable for which the value of polynomial becomes 0? Let's see few more polynomials. So here are 5 linear polynomials. Now you have to tell me for which value of y the polynomial value becomes 0. Means y minus 2 will be equal to 0. क्या आप बता सकते हैं?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. If you take this y equal to 2, then p of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2, and that is 0. So value of polynomial is 0 for value of y equal to 2. So you are getting one value of y for which the value of polynomial has become 0. There won't be any value of y other than 2 for which p of y can become 0. Okay? So एक ही value ऐसी मिलेगी. तो यहाँ तो मिल गया. Let's see the second polynomial. f of what? z क्या लो? क्या लेंगे z? So that z by 2 plus 3 becomes 0.
Minus
6.
Minus
क्या
3.
बात है? Very good children. Minus 6. So minus 6 by 2 plus 3. That is 2 ones are 2 threes are minus 3 plus 3. And that is equal to 0. So f of minus 6 equal to 0. So value of polynomial is 0. For which value of z? Minus 6. So minus 6 is the 0 of this polynomial. अब बहुत सारी values लो. But minus 6, when z equal to minus 6, then only you get the value of polynomial equal to 0. चलिए next one. इसको ले लेते हैं पहले. f of what? बताइए, आसान है.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. f of 3 by 2. You are taking x equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. And that is equal to 0. Straight away you get. Alright. So what is the 0 of this polynomial? What is 0 of the polynomial m of x, which is x minus 3 by 2?
3 by 2.
3 by 2 is the 0. Alright. Let's see here. Bolia, this is going to be interesting. Root 3 minus x. What do you put the value of x?
2, 3.
आसान है. 2 root 3, 2 root 3, 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is 0. Therefore, g of 2 root 3 equal to 0. So what is the 0 of this polynomial?
2 root 3.
Alright. चलिए, now f of what will give me 0?
minus 1 upon 2.
Minus 1 upon 2 will give you. Minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2. 2, 2 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 and that is 0. So f of minus half equal to 0. So 0 of this polynomial is minus 1 upon 2. Alright. So I hope the concept of 0 polynomial is clear. For y equal to 2, y minus 2 becomes 0. For x equal to 3 by 2, x minus 3 by 2 becomes 0. For z is equal to minus 6, z by 2 plus 3, which is a polynomial, its value becomes 0. For x equal to minus, which one? This one. For x is equal to 2 root 3 minus x, which is a polynomial, its value becomes 0. For a equal to minus 1 upon 2, 2a plus 1, that is polynomial, its value becomes 0. So, minus 1 upon 2 is value of variable for which the value of polynomial becomes 0. Z equal to minus 6 is value of variable for which the value of polynomial becomes 0. So, that is the 0 of polynomial. Since I put the title 0 of linear polynomial, I have taken examples of only linear polynomials. I hope that is clear to you. Okay? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. Children, कुछ बच्चों सोच रहे होंगे कि सर कैसे 2 लिख दिया, कैसे 3 by 2 लिख दिया, कैसे minus 1 upon 2 लिखा. Means how did you get those zeros? Yes, it was oral calculations. Alright, now every time the oral calculations cannot be done, it becomes difficult. So how to find 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial कैसे ढूंढना है हम देखते हैं. Let's see. यही 5 polynomial का 0 हम ढूंढेंगे. Now we are going to see how to find 0 of linear polynomial. Alright? Yes. Here is the question. Find zeros of the following polynomial. Question. Find zeros of the following polynomials. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Alright? Now let's find the 0 of the first polynomial. Children, आपको ऐसा एक statement लिखना होगा. To find 0 of p of y, you want to find 0 of this p of y. Let p of y be equal to 0. To find 0 of p of y, let p of y equal to 0. To find 0 of f of z, let f of z be equal to 0. To find 0 of f of a, let f of a equal to 0. ऐसे start करो, इस statement से start करो. Now tell me, what is p of y? p of y क्या है? A linear polynomial. Alright? So put that value. p of y की जगह पे substitution करो. क्या है p of y? Y minus 2. That is equal to 0. Now this is one linear equation in one variable which you were solving since 6th or 7th standard. बोलिए, this gives me y is equal to minus 2 on the other side plus 2. So that is your 0. Y equal to 2. Y equal to 2 is 0 of this polynomial. चलिए, let's find out the second one. वही लिखेंगे. To find 0. Children, I am writing capital to express this 0 is not that 0. Figure वाला 0 नहीं है. इसलिए इसको मैं हमेशा capital लिखता हूँ. क्वेश्चन पेपर और टेक्स्ट बुक में यू वोंट फाइंड दिस, वो तो ऐसे ही लिखेंगे 0, लेकिन आप डिस्टिंग्विश कर लेना. बी केयरफुल. टू फाइंड 0 ऑफ कौन सा पोलिनोमियल है? f of z. लेट f of z इज इक्वल टू 0. अब f of z क्या है? यस, a linear polynomial. z by 2 plus 3, that is f of z. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन किया in place of f of z and right hand side equal to 0. Take z by 2 is equal to 3 on other side, so minus 3. Alright, take 2 on other side, so it will multiply. Z is minus 3 into 2 and therefore z is equal to minus 6. मिलाना 0 of f of z which is minus 6. ओरली कुछ बच्चों ने बताया था. अब हमने एक मैकेनिकल स्टेप से उसका 0 निकाला है. नेक्स्ट वन, f of a is 2a plus 1. We have to find the 0 of this polynomial. Let, okay, not let but to find 0 -1 is equal to or 0. Now simple solve करिए. 2a is equal to -1. Therefore a is equal to -1 upon 2. मिलाना -1 upon 2 which is 0 of f of a. उसी तरह आप 4th और 5th को ढूंढ सकते हो. To find 0 of m of x, let m of x be equal to 0. This is the first step. Now m of x क्या है? That is x minus 3/2. That is equal to 0. Take 3/2 on the other side. So x is equal to 3/2. Here is your 0. चलिए ये वाला okay. To find 0 of g of x, let g of x be equal to 0. Now what is g of x? A linear polynomial. वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे g of x है इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करो g of x जो भी है 2√3 minus x, that is equal to 0. Take minus x on other side, so it becomes plus x. So 2√3 is equal to x, i.e. x is equal to 2√3. So the 0 of this polynomial is 2√3. So that's how you can find the zeros of polynomial. Is that clear, children? आपकी समझ में आया 100%?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
अब मैं ये पहला वाला पोलिनोमियल ले रहा हूं. The first one. जरा समझिए. Please try to understand. P of y is equal to y minus 2. Now we have already known 0 of P of y is equal to 2. Correct? 0 of P of y is equal to 2. How did you find that? I'm writing directly. Y minus 2 equal to 0 लिया था. Therefore, y is equal to 2. Okay? What is 0 of P of y? 2. Now, I'm going to ask the converse question. If 0 of P of y is 2, then which is that polynomial? P of y is y minus 2. The 0 of this polynomial P of y is 2. Now the converse. If 0 of P of y is 2, not value of P of y, 0 of P of y is 2, then obtain P of y. Alright, बड़ा आसान है. यहां वेरिएबल कौन सा है? y. And that is equal to 2 क्योंकि वो 0 है. This is 0. 0 of P of y. So that means y equal to 2. y equal to 2. चलिए इक्वेशन बना दीजिए इक्वल टू 0 वाला. y minus 2 equal to 0. भाई इक्वल टू 0 बना. यहां हम लिखते हैं ना P of y equal to 0. Alright. I.e. okay, यहां बाजू में लिखेंगे. I.e. P of y equal to 0. आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कंपेयर करो. Therefore, P of y is equal to y minus 2. मिलाना polynomial. That polynomial whose 0 is 2 is y minus 2. Children, थोड़ा ट्विस्ट है. जरा समझिए. यहां से एक नया स्टेप बनता है. What you got? y minus 2 equal to 0. आपको राइट हैंड साइड में 0 चाहिए था, वो मिल गया. बट नाउ मेरी इच्छा हुई multiplying 2 on both sides. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 multiplied by 2 and this multiplied by 2. Multiplying 2 on both sides. Distribute करो. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Hey children, still I am getting equal to 0. And this time it is 2y minus 4. I.e. इसका मतलब P of y is equal to 0. देखो ये equal to 0 राइट हैंड साइड पे है. So left hand side is equal to left hand side. So I.e. P of y is equal to 2y minus 4. अरे children, ये रहा second polynomial. इसका भी 0 2 ही है. चेक करो. 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 by 2. So y is equal to 2. ये भी तो y equal to 2 ही है. तो ये polynomial का भी 0 2. ये polynomial का भी 0 2. खेल खत्म नहीं हुआ। ऑलराइट भाई, मेरी मर्जी। यहां से y माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0 आया, इसलिए मैं कुछ ज्यादा खेल खेलने वाला हूं। यहाँ आई एम गोइंग टू मल्टीप्लाई 3 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, तो राइट हैंड साइड तो 0 ही रहेगा। 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, ये 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई y बाई 2, ये तो मुझे 0 ही मिला। बट दिस इज 3y माइनस 6, i.e. उसका मतलब ये जो पोलिनोमियल है p ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू 0, सो therefore p ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू 3y माइनस। सो ये रहा तीसरा पोलिनोमियल जिसका 0 once again 2 है। आप बता सकते हैं I got one polynomial whose 0 is 2, I got second polynomial whose 0 is 2, I got third polynomial whose 0 is 2. So how many polynomials I'll have whose zeros is 2?
Infinite.
Infinite. Next time I'm going to multiply 4 on both sides, 5 on both sides, 7 on both sides, 8 on both sides, anything. Minus 2 on both sides, 1 upon 2 on both sides. मेरा राइट हैंड साइड तो 0 ही बनने वाला है। Are you getting me? Are you getting me, children?
Yes, sir.
अब बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप पे हम आने वाले हैं। ओके, अब देखो, प्लीज देखो, एक पोलिनोमियल है p ऑफ x, एक पोलिनोमियल है p ऑफ x। ऑलराइट, वो क्या है अभी मुझे पता नहीं है। प्लीज पे अटेंशन, दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग और कुछ बच्चों को शायद समझ में ना आए, आना चाहिए। आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, देखो ध्यान दो, कॉन्सेंट्रेट। इफ आई से 0 ऑफ p ऑफ x इज अल्फा, एक ही तो 0 होता है लीनियर पोलिनोमियल का। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली द लीनियर पोलिनोमियल नाउ। Tomorrow we shall talk about quadratic polynomial and its zeros. Okay? चलिए, तो एक ही पोलिनोमियल, एक ही 0 होता है लीनियर पोलिनोमियल का। तो what is 0 of this polynomial in variable x? Alpha. So you can say x is equal to alpha. Did you understand? X is equal to alpha. अरे 0 2 होता है तो we say x equal to 2. 0 3 by 2 होता है तो x equal to 3 by 2. 0 2 रूट 3 होगा तो x इक्वल टू 2 रूट 3. सो यहां मैंने बोला 0 अल्फा है, एक ही है और उसको अल्फा डिनोट किया है मैंने। सो नाउ मेक द इक्वेशन, देयरफॉर x माइनस अल्फा इक्वल टू 0, x माइनस अल्फा इक्वल टू 0। यस, इट्स टाइम टू प्ले, इट्स टाइम टू प्ले गेम। व्हाट? मल्टीप्लाइंग 2 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, multiplying 3 on both sides, 1 तो already है, multiplying 4, multiplying 5, that multiplying 2 by 3, multiplying root 3 on both sides. So any real number you multiply on both sides, I am going to call that real number as k, but it should not be equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. So I am going to multiply k on both sides. So k into bracket is equal to 0 into k. K into bracket, bracket में जो भी है अल्फा माइनस। ऑलराइट, सो दिस गिव्स मी kx माइनस k अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0। i.e. चिल्ड्रन इक्वल टू 0 मिल गया। i.e. ये जो होता है p ऑफ x और इक्वल टू 0, कंपेयर करो। सो therefore p ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू kx माइनस k अल्फा, kx माइनस k अल्फा। चिल्ड्रन बराबर समझिए, दिस इज पोलिनोमियल whose 0 is alpha. p of x, a linear polynomial. p of x is kx minus k alpha whose 0 is alpha. अब देखो, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म of linear equation, standard form of linear equation. Linear equation अपना not equation but linear polynomial. Of course we are talking about polynomial. So here the polynomial, linear polynomial p of x is kx minus k alpha, where alpha is the 0 of this p of x. लेकिन हम standard form लर्न कर चुके हैं, p of x is equal to ax plus b where a not equal to 0. Here k not equal to 0. K is non-zero constant. Okay children, समझिए अब समझिए, इसका ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है, इसका 0 भी अल्फा ही है, उसका 0 भी अल्फा ही है। कोई भी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का 0 हम डिनोट कर रहे हैं अल्फा से। सो अब एक तो ये मिला जिसका 0 अल्फा है, एक ये मिला जिसका 0 अल्फा है। सो इसको रिजल्ट 2 बोलिए। यस, अब कंपैरिजन कैन बी मेड। आई एम गोइंग टू मेक कंपैरिजन। जरा समझिए, ये एक लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है जिसका 0 अल्फा है, ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, इसका भी 0 अल्फा है। कोई भी लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का 0 सिंबॉलिकली मैंने कह दिया अल्फा। सो आई कैन से ax plus b is equal to kx minus a alpha by 1 and 2 we have by first one and second one. You can say ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल और ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल दोनों इक्वल है। Why equal? क्योंकि दोनों का 0 अल्फा है। Now please कंपैरिजन, देखो यहां 2 टर्म है, यहां भी 2 टर्म है ना। फर्स्ट टर्म x वाला है, यहां भी x वाला है। सो यू कैन कंपेयर एंड से a is equal to k. First a is equal to k and you can say b is equal to minus k alpha. The second term b is equal to minus k alpha. x की वजह से हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, यहां 2 टर्म, यहां 2 टर्म। ऑलराइट, चलिए I would like to make alpha subject of the formula. Therefore, b upon k is equal to minus alpha. K is multiplied on the other side. Therefore, minus b upon k is equal to alpha. Therefore, alpha is equal to minus b upon k. But what is k? That is a. Oh children, alpha is minus b upon a for linear polynomial. Alpha is minus b upon a for linear polynomial. सर ये कैसे किया, क्या किया, अब मैं बताता हूँ। सर ये कहाँ से लेकर आए, उसका 0 आप बोल रहे हैं कि अल्फा है। देखो हम अपनी पुरानी मेथड से काम करते हैं। लेट्स सी, भाई इसका मुझे 0 ढूंढना है। सो लेट p of x equal to 0. p of x क्या है? ax plus b equal to 0. So x को सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द फॉर्मूला बनाओ, ax equal to minus b. So x equal to minus b upon a. भाई इसका भी minus b upon a ही आया ना, तो मतलब अल्फा ही बना गया नहीं इसका भी। Are you getting me children? I hope you all are not getting confused. Okay? So लीनियर पोलिनोमियल का 0 अल्फा है और उसकी फॉर्मूला है minus b upon a. Earlier we saw how to find 0. The very first statement हम लिख देते हैं, to find 0 of polynomial, let that polynomial equal to 0. फिर polynomial का substitute करके equation को solve करते हैं। अब solve करने की जरूरत नहीं है, you can directly use the formula, but for that you will have to remember the formula. For linear polynomial, the 0 is 1, it's unique, and that is alpha, and it is minus b upon a. चलिए हम ढूंढते हैं कुछ polynomials के zeros by direct formula method. So here we are children. Again the same question. Obtain the zeros of following polynomial. Okay? But we are not going to use the first method that we saw. We are going to use the formula method to find the 0 for linear polynomial, which is alpha equal to minus b upon a. अब children वो b और a कहाँ से आएगा? आएगा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से। I am going to call this one, जो polynomial है, linear polynomial, that is given in the data, I am going to call it result 1. Comparing 1 with p of x is equal to, क्या है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ लीनियर पोलिनोमियल? ax plus b where a not equal to 0. चलिए अब कंपेयर कीजिए, ये p of x, ये p of x, ये 1x ये ax, बोलो a इक्वल टू 1 and b is equal to 3. Now alpha, which is 0, is minus b upon a, that is minus b is 3 and a is 1, and that is equal to minus 3, i.e. alpha is equal to minus 3, which is the 0 of this polynomial. Is that clear, children? Call this result 1. Comparing.
सर
Yes, any problem?
थोड़ा एक बार फिर से समझा दो ना सर, पहला वाला समझ.
दूसरा देख लो, 5 है. Okay, same है.
ओके सर.
Comparing 1 with f of x is equal to, जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का, ax plus b, where b not equal to 0. अब देखो, यहां दो टर्म, पहली टर्म x वाली, पहली टर्म x वाली, so straight away a equal to 3 और b equal to minus 2. समझ में आया? Did you understand?
यस सर.
Fine. Now we know alpha is minus b upon a, ये फॉर्मूला है, that is equal to minus, और b is minus 2 upon a is 3, minus of minus plus 2 upon 3, i.e. alpha is equal to 2 upon 3, and that is the 0 of this polynomial. Clear? Moving on to the next one. इसको रिजल्ट 1 बताएंगे and comparing result 1 with g है तो g of x वेरिएबल, लेकिन यहां हमारा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ax plus b where a not equal to 0. कंपेयर कीजिए. बी केयरफुल, यहां x, a इक्वल टू क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon 2. I hope you can understand that. This x by 2 can be written as half of x. So x के साथ कोएफिशिएंट हाफ है, यहाँ x के साथ a है. So a is equal to 1 upon 2 and b is equal to minus 1. All right, कुछ ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Now alpha is equal to minus b upon a की बदले में divide by a लिख रहा हूं. Why you can understand? Because the values are fraction. So minus b, that is minus 1/3, divided by a, that is 1 upon 2. All right. So that gives me minus of minus plus 1/3. Division I'm going to convert into multiplication. So multiplied. So when you convert division into multiplication, inverse होता है 1 upon 2 का inverse 2, and that is equal to 2 upon 3. So alpha is equal to 2 upon 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. All right. चल रहा है? ये आपकी बुक में नहीं है, दिस मेथड, इट्स नॉट देयर. हाँ, लेकिन क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल में आएगा, जो हम कल कॉन्सेप्ट देखने वाले हैं. ऑल राइट, चलिए लास्ट वन, इसको हम कहते हैं रिजल्ट 1. कंपेयरिंग 1 विथ m of x है तो m of x लिखेंगे, लेकिन यहाँ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इन वेरिएबल x, ax plus b where a not equal to 0. I'm getting the value of a. यहाँ x को निकालो, so you get value of a. A is 4 by 5 and b is minus 2. Now alpha is minus b upon a. या डिवीजन साइन रखते हैं, divide by a, so that is minus b is minus 2 divided by a is 4 upon 5. माइनस ऑफ माइनस प्लस 2, डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करो, 4 upon 5 इनवर्स हो जाएगा 5 upon 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, therefore alpha is equal to 5 upon 2, and that is the 0 of the polynomial. All right, I'm writing it here. Alpha is 5 upon 2, and that is the 0 of this linear polynomial. I hope you have understood, children. Okay, now I'm going to give you 0 of the polynomial and you have to find the polynomial. I'm going to give you 0 and you have to find the polynomial. कैसे? दिस ऑल्सो इज नॉट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक, ऑलराइट, लेकिन क्वाड्रेटिकली ये है तो उसमें ये समझदारी काम आएगी. क्वेश्चन इज ऑब्टेन लीनियर polynomial whose zero is given, and the first one, it is root 5. Zero is given, root 5. All right, straight away I am going to write here. देखो ये फिर से बता दूं, x is equal to alpha, वेरिएबल x ले लेते हैं, x equal to alpha, so x minus alpha equal to 0. Multiplying k on both sides, so k into x minus alpha is equal to 0 into k, so k into x minus alpha equal to 0, i.e. उसका मतलब e of x equal to 0. ये polynomial मिल गया, therefore polynomial in variable x is k into x minus alpha. So ये रहा polynomial, ये आपको याद रखना होगा. A linear polynomial whose zero is alpha is given by k into x minus alpha, where k is not equal to 0, where k is non-zero constant. Okay, चलिए यही काम करते हैं. A linear polynomial in variable x with 0 alpha is given by, ये स्टेटमेंट आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. A linear polynomial in variable x with 0 alpha is given by p of, p for polynomial हमने वेरिएबल x बताया, ऑलराइट, दैट इज इक्वल टू, अब ये पोलिनोमियल क्या है, k into x minus alpha, where k is not equal to 0. ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है, ऑलराइट. चलिए, सो अब अल्फा तो आपको दिया ही है, यू आर ऑलरेडी गिवन अल्फा. भाई जीरो ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल उसी को अल्फा कहते हैं. आई राइट हियर अल्फा इज इक्वल टू रूट 5 एंड देन आई राइट दिस स्टेटमेंट. चलिए, therefore p of x is equal to k into x minus root 5, where k not equal to 0. फिनिश. आपको ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is the polynomial. If you take k equal to 1, the polynomial is x minus root 5. If you take k equal to 2, the polynomial is 2x minus 2 root 5. If you take k equal to 3, the polynomial is 3x minus 3 root 5. Any, the value of k. So this is the polynomial whose zero is root 5. चलिए, second one, in fact it is 2 upon 3. So I'll write here alpha is 2 upon 3. Now a linear polynomial in a variable, मैं बदल रहा हूं, variable a, very interesting, variable a with 0 alpha is given by p कहो या f कहो, कोई भी सिंबल p f है, लेकिन वेरिएबल मैंने बताया a. अब पहला आएगा k, फिर आएगा वेरिएबल और माइनस अल्फा, है ना, वेरिएबल और माइनस अल्फा, where k not equal to 0. ये k को फिक्स रखेंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू द वैल्यू k, हमारे पास अल्फा की वैल्यू है ना, a minus 2 upon 3, या थोड़ा सा एलसीएम निकाल लीजिए. सो दैट इज, आई राइट हियर, दिस इज इक्वल टू k in the LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3s are 1. So that is 3a minus, so that is, I'm writing here, that is equal to k by 3. ये 3k का डिनोमिनेटर लिख देते हैं into 3a minus 2. Alright, that is, मेरे पास जगह नहीं है नीचे, k की जगह पे मैं k डैश लिख रहा हूं, या ये फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो k डैश into 3a minus 2. दिस इज योर e, नहीं हमने f लिया है, f of a. This is the polynomial where k dash not equal to 0. फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म मुझे नहीं रखना है यहाँ, दैट्स इट. फ्रैक्शनल नहीं रखना है, इसलिए मैंने एलसीएम निकाला. तो वो k/3 हो गया, वो k/3 हो गया, और k/3 की जगह पे मैंने k dash लिखा, where k dash is also k/3. Okay, we'll see one more. एक और देखते हैं. Third, it is -4/5. चलिए, so here alpha is -4/5. A linear polynomial in a variable y मैंने ले लिया with 0, वो फिक्स है उसका सिंबल, with 0 alpha is given by p ले लेता हूं, वेरिएबल y इज इक्वल टू k फिक्स है और y माइनस अल्फा, where k इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. अब आपको सिर्फ अल्फा की वैल्यू डालनी है, सो दैट इज k इंटू y माइनस -4/5, इसलिए मैंने एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज ब्रैकेट यूज किया. दैट इज इक्वल टू k इंटू y/1 प्लस 4/5. अब मुझे फ्रैक्शन नहीं चाहिए, सो k इंटू LCM is 5, 1 5 5 1 and 5 into y 5y plus 4 into 1 4. So that is equal to, now k/5 होगा, k/5, all right, into that is 5y plus 4. Now k/5 की जगह पे मैं लिख दूं k dash, okay, into 5y plus 4, where k dash is k/5. क्योंकि फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म मुझे नहीं चाहिए, so I am writing that k/5 or substituting it by k dash. All right, therefore ये रहा p of y. This is the polynomial, and you can say k dash not equal to 0. k not equal to 0, तो k dash भी 0 नहीं आएगा, right? So this is the linear polynomial k dash into 5y plus 4, whose 0 is -4/5. And the last one, all right? And okay, last one, let's see. Fourth one, 0 is 3√2 minus 1. Here, alpha is 3√2 minus 1. A linear polynomial in a variable, नॉर्मली आप x ही ले लीजिए, कुछ नया मत लो. मैंने a लिया, m लिया, y लिया, t लिया, आप x लो, अच्छा रहेगा. With 0 alpha is given by और p पोलिनोमियल के लिए p ले लो. p of x is equal to that k into variable x minus alpha, where k is non-zero constant, 0 नहीं है, all right, not equal to 0. चलिए अल्फा की वैल्यू डाल दीजिए. k देखने से पता चलता है 2 टर्म है, इसलिए एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट की यूटिलाइजेशन जरूरी है. x minus, now interesting that alpha has 2 terms, so I'll write in the bracket 3√2 minus pi, and then the bracket is over. Now open the bracket, k into, क्या स्मॉल ब्रैकेट लिख सकते हैं, x sign will change, -3√2, and this becomes +5. यहाँ कोई फर्दर सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं होगा और कोई रेशनल नंबर भी नहीं है, a/b फॉर्म भी नहीं है. So this is your polynomial, linear polynomial whose 0 is 3√2 minus 1. I hope that is clear. Here I'm going to add your homework. ये वीडियो में at the end you will find homework, so you do that homework as well. So see you in the next session. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, be safe.
Bye, sir.